Open your preferred web browser and official MySQL website, link in description. Now, simply click on first download button. Now, click on the no thanks, just start my download link to proceed MySQL downloading. After MySQL downloading MySQL.exe file, go to your downloads folder, find the file, and double-click to run the installer. The installer will instruct you to choose the setup type. For most users, the developer default is suitable. I choose server only, click next to proceed. OK, you're in the download section, click execute to start downloading the components you selected. Now the downloaded components will be installed. Click execute to start the installation process. MySQL will be installed on your Windows system. Then click next to proceed. Now check the requirements to next proceed. Set up configuration pages for MySQL account. Enter the root password, click check. If it says connection succeed, you've successfully connected to the server. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Congratulations! MySQL is now installed on your Windows system. Finally, to ensure a successful installation of MySQL, open the MySQL command line client or MySQL Workbench, both available in your Start menu.